For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Russia has remained one of the closest allies of China over the years. The Russia-China partnership is an outcome of their shared dissatisfaction with American hegemony. But now things are heating up between the two countries. First, the two nations drifted apart as a result of coronavirus, followed by Russia accusing China of espionage. Now, in the latest, it is reported that Russia has decided to suspend the deliveries of S-400 missile to China. Russia has reportedly said that the resumption of further deliveries will be ascertained later. But there are contradictory reports on Russia's deliveries to China. Some reports claim that Russia has suspended the delivery of S-400 missiles to China. Another report said Russia has already delivered the second batch of S-400 missiles. Back in 2018, Russia had delivered the first batch of S-400 Triumph missiles to China. It is believed that Russia could have taken this step after Moscow accused Beijing of spying. A few weeks ago, Russian authorities found Valery Mitko, president of Petersburg Arctic Social Sciences Academy, guilty. Mitko was accused for passing out Russia's secret information to China. It is reported that following these developments, Russia is now reconsidering its proposal on delivering missiles to China. It is reported that one of the newspapers in China, Sohu, wrote about Russia's postponement of delivering missiles. This time, Russia announced the postponement of the delivery of missiles for the Chinese S-400 system. To a certain extent, we can say that it is for the sake of China. Getting a gun is not as easy as signing an invoice after receiving a weapon. In the article, the newspaper also made a mention of how Russia was finding excuses not to deliver the missiles. They say that the work on delivering these weapons is quite complicated. While China has to send personnel for training, Russia also needs to send a lot of technical personnel to put the weapons into service. Post Russia's announcement, China claimed Moscow was forced to take such a decision. It is worried that the delivery of S-400 missiles at this time will affect the anti-pandemic actions of the People's Liberation Army and does not want to cause trouble to China. Yet another report said that amid the rising tensions with the US, S-400 missiles were reportedly delivered via maritime transport. However, there is no clarity on whether the S-400 missiles were delivered to China or not. If Russia is reconsidering its deal with China, then it would indeed become a major setback for Beijing. S-400 Triumph missiles are considered to be one of the most advanced missiles in the world. S-400 is capable of destroying a target at a distance of up to 400 kilometers and a height of up to 30 kilometers. The missile is designed to destroy aircraft, cruise and ballistic missiles. China became the first international buyer of Russia's most advanced S-400 surface-to-air missile systems. Russia had signed a contract with China to deliver 2 regimental sets of S-400 way back in 2014. Not to forget, India and Turkey too have signed a contract with Russia over the delivery of S-400. Needless to say, lately, China is being hostile with almost every country in the world.